At AKS, we specialize in automotive locksmithing needs, commercial IC cores, and more. Aside from our enormous variety of available products, we also provide our customers with informational and educational services with our in-house Locksmith Learning Center, Las Vegas Locksmith University. At LVLU, we offer locksmith courses at all levels, from introductory classes to advanced techniques, allowing our students to graduate with knowledge to hone their skills and navigate a successful career as a professional locksmith. Classes are taught by some of the best instructors and working-class locksmiths in the business, and students often travel from across the country to attend our classes. But at AKS, we don't stop there. We also offer marketing and business classes specifically tailored for the entrepreneurial locksmith, allowing students to not only learn the trade, but to develop the knowledge and skills to network, build their brand, and effectively direct the course of their own career. We also offer starter equipment packages, in-house marketing services, and custom materials to help budding entrepreneurs leave a lasting impression with every customer they serve. For more information on American Key Supply, our products, services, and locksmith training courses, visit us at americankeysupply.com.